Hey there, business leaders. Looking for a CRM that's easy to use and super effective? I'm Thomas from Expert Pick, and today we're talking about Monday.com, one of the top CRM software solutions for 2024. Here's why Monday.com stands out. Customizable workflows. Tailor every process to your business needs with its easy drag and drop interface. Collaboration friendly. Keep your team on the same page with real-time updates and seamless integrations across your favorite tools. Powerful automation. Save time by automating repetitive tasks so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Frustrated with rigid CRM systems? Tired of clunky integrations and time-consuming tasks? Monday.com solves all those pain points with its intuitive design and smart automation features. Ready to supercharge your business? Get a 30-day refund or replacement by clicking the link in the description below. Your business's future success is just a click away.